Hello, hey, welcome back to Kiyoshi and My Boys channel. Alright, and today we're going to be making slime with my boy. Alright, and the supplies today you will need are baking soda, great value, I just got it from the dollar store, a bowl for the slime, Elmer's glue, I got white. You're going to need a tablespoon, but I only have a teaspoon, a fork, contact solution, which in the contact solution it will need to have, sorry, let me find it. If I can find it. Alright, it will need sodium borate. It needs to be in the contact solution you get, which I just got the Equate version. And then food coloring if you want some coloring in your slime. Otherwise you can leave it clear, white, glittery, whatever. Alright, let's get started. So first we're going to take the 4-ounce spoon, we're going to pour it all into the bowl. Sorry guys, I was struggling. Alright, so next we're going to take half of a tablespoon of baking soda and pour it into the bowl. Alright, so next is the contact solution. We're going to use 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons because a teaspoon is all I have right now. But if you have a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon is good. Alright guys, so here's where the work comes in. You're going to have to stir in and mix all the ingredients together. And you're also later on going to see me start to knead it, which will make this process way so much easier. Alright, so I just put a little bit more baking soda because I played it by eye. Alright, so the fork was not working because I am one person trying to do this. So I'm going to do it with my hand. I don't mind the mess. So if it is sticky like this is, you can add a little bit more contact solution or baking soda. But right now I'm just trying to work in the contact solution. But as you can see, it's slime. It's so cool, right? That is so cool. But you can knead it, just starting to form the slime. And in the background, you hear my son, my 2-year-old, who does not like to get his hands messy. He's more fun. I'm like a big kid. Oh wow, as you can see as I'm kneading it, I didn't really have to add any more contact solution or baking soda. So I guess you just need to knead it for a while so it can form. This is so cool. Wow, super easy. What was that? 3 ingredients: glue, contact solution, and baking soda. Nothing hard about this. Hi. Whoa. Yeah. Alright, This is the finished product. As you can see, I made slime.